Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a circle in the xy plane has center 5, 7 and radius 2. We're asked which of the following is an equation of the circle. So the way to solve this is to already know the standard form of the equation of a circle, right? There's no way to really derive this in a way that's possible on the test, so you kind of just have to know the formula. And that is, we have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where hk is the center of the circle and r is the radius. So in this case, the center is 5, 7, so h is 5 and k is 7. So on this side of the equation, we have x minus h squared is 5. It's the x coordinate of the center squared, plus y minus k is 7, the y coordinate of the center. And this is equal to r squared. R is the radius, which we're told is 2, so we have 2 squared. Not messing with this other side, the only thing we have to do to get it into the form that is shown in our answers is to square 2, which is 4. So we have x minus 5 squared plus y minus 7 squared is equal to 4. This lines up with A, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.